action, and then getting the right price on that, and being able to identify some of the unique exposures of that. Because if there is a property loss, the downtime and the specialization of some of that machinery, you could have a big business income loss. So being able to identify all those exposures and manage that in an automated process, which I believe can be done fairly effectively, because you're just dealing with property and the values at specific addresses. That would have been very valuable and very helpful at that point in time. Yes.
There's some real curveballs there. One thing I didn't know was that a wildfire 10 miles away can ruin a vineyard, right? That the smoke can ruin a vineyard crop. That's another set of sort of variables to try to figure out when you mention sort of crop insurance as an example there. So those are some of the variables that I think I sat through a panel with Google where they're trying to create a digital twin of the Earth, which I thought was a really talk about a sort of a big audacious goal, right? But kind of a fascinating one when you think about things like wildfire risks and other type of cat risks.
Yeah, and whether it's wildfire or hurricanes, but specifically wildfire, having better tools to map those properties, and there are tools that exist out there to do that.
For sure, yeah.
But being able to interface the information that I receive in as an underwriter on Accord applications, and then interface that with a wildfire tool would be much more effective in the underwriting process and making decisions of which locations would be acceptable or which locations would not be.